Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel once again, and in this video session I'll discuss how we can print a barcode in IBMI and then print a PDF of that. So basically printing a barcode in the printer file, or you can say spool file, and then send it to the PDF to print. So let me show you. We have a barcode keyword made available by the IBM, and that we can use to print the barcode based upon our requirement. So there are several barcode IDs available on the IBM site. So you can refer from there which one you want to print. So basically this is the keyword to print a field as user specified barcode, and it can only be printed for device type star IPDS or AFPDS. So this is the keyword for the barcode ID, height, uh, and the modifier, wide narrow ratio, PDF 417 data, and all other things. So this is the mandatory keyword, and other ones are the optional keyword. And you can see special alphanumeric value up to 10 characters long or as numeric ID can be provided for the barcode. So I will be discussing about two barcode ID here. First one is code 3 of 9 and second is QR code that we usually see. But in this video, we will see the demo of only code 3 of 9. So let's discuss this in the next video. We'll talk much more about this later, and we'll see the demo in the next video. So we'll be printing this barcode ID code 3 of 9, whose data type would be A. Field length can be up to 1 to 50, up to 50 characters we can print, and the numeric ID is 1 for this, and uh, range of characters allowed are 0 to 9 or 8 to D, and begin or end only, and these special characters. This is the valid barcode modifier 01 or 02, as you can see in this barcode keyword. So let's come out and just create a printer file to print the barcode. So this is the printer file. So where this is the barcode FMT is the record format, and we are printing this barcode format by skipping before 2 lines. So once it gets print, it skips 2 lines, then print this record format. So within this record format, we have a field barcode data of, let's say I took only for 10 characters, and I'm starting from the 20th position, and barcode keyword is used there, and I'm printing code 3 of 9 barcode. So let's create it. Once I create it, I have to give the device type as AFPDS here, and you can see barcode print created. I can see the design from 19 here as well. So you can see here the barcode will be printed, and now let's see the program. This one is the program. So it's a very basic program. So start free at the first line, first position, and then you can see I have declared the printer file here, barcode PRT, and what I'm doing is I'm passing 10 characters data 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to this barcode data field, and then printing. So printing writing the record format, and at last the last record indicator on. So let's compile this as well. So this is compiled. Let's see if we have any spool file printed. So these are the spools of the program compilation. Let's delete them. And the printer file compilation, let's call this So once we call this and do this, you can see the barcode report printer file has been printed, but you won't be able to see the barcode here on this IBM green screen. So what you need to do is to create a PDF of it. Let's create a PDF. Just do working. There is no PDF file exists there, so I can go for several ways to print a PDF from the spool file. I'll use the copy SPLF. So the file is barcode PRT printer file, and I'm copying to the start to STMF. So I'm copying to this path, current job, that's the start, last spool, let's say. By the way, it's only one spool there. And control character here would be FCFC. And to stream file, let's say I'm printing barcode, so I can give barcode.pdf here, and this customize object option is .pdf. So by this way, I can be able to print the barcode.pdf. So just do work click. Now you can see the PDF is printed. Now go to ECS and then IFS. This is already open. Let's refresh it. You will find the barcode report, print PDF, and then download it. Specify a location to the desktop and then simply just download this. It is downloaded. Let's open this. So you can see that the barcode is printed on the spool file, and you can see the numbers, that data that we provided through the program 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this way, this is how you can print the barcode in the spool file and then print a PDF of it. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.